Artificial intelligence, AI, has opened up numerous opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. This guide delves into 5 key areas where you can leverage AI to generate income: freelancing, content creation, education and training, investment in finance, and social media. AI freelancing is a lucrative opportunity for tech-savvy individuals who understand AI applications. Here are some ways to excel in this field. Offer businesses insights on integrating AI for automation, analytics, and efficiency. Help AI projects by creating labeled datasets for machine learning. Build tools like chatbots, recommendation systems, or predictive analytics for clients. Use Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal to find AI-related gigs. Master AI tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch to enhance your offerings. Showcase your AI projects in a portfolio. Connect with businesses needing AI expertise. Stay updated with AI trends to maintain a competitive edge. AI tools can transform content creation, enabling high-quality work efficiently. Use tools like ChatGPT to generate articles, blogs, or marketing content. Platforms like DALL-E and Canva AI make designing easier for logos, visuals, or digital art. Use tools like Runway or AIVA for videos and music creation, which can be monetized on YouTube or stock media platforms. Sell AI-generated content on Etsy, Shutterstock, or Adobe Stock. Create a content portfolio to attract clients. Leverage Medium or Substack for written content monetization. AI is transforming education by making learning personalized and accessible. Create online courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. Develop apps that tailor learning experiences like coding platforms or test prep tools. Offer one-on-one tutoring with virtual classrooms or AI-enhanced tools. Integrate AI with learning management systems like Moodle or Thinkific. Use AI tools to create interactive modules for learners. Offer subscription-based access to your courses. Partner with schools or organizations to deploy AI-driven solutions. AI is revolutionizing the finance sector with smarter tools for investment and decision-making. Build AI models to predict trends and automate trading on platforms like QuantConnect. Create financial planning tools that offer advice based on user goals. Develop AI systems to detect fraudulent banking or e-commerce activities. Use AI to create apps for budgeting, tracking expenses, or optimizing savings. Learn financial modeling and AI. Partner with startups or financial institutions for AI projects. Use Kaggle to build expertise with financial datasets. Social media is a powerful platform, and AI can amplify its impact. Tools like Hootsuite or Buffer schedule posts and analyze metrics. Use AI chatbots to handle queries via tools like ManyChat. Platforms like Influencity identify suitable influencers and measure campaign ROI. AI tools monitor brand mentions and analyze sentiment for better engagement. Offer AI-powered social media management services. Create and sell AI tools for analytics or automation. Partner with brands for AI-enhanced ad campaigns. AI offers endless possibilities for income generation. Whether freelancing, content creation, education, finance, or social media, the key is to identify your strengths and leverage AI to build a sustainable income stream. Take small steps, invest in learning, and create a portfolio that showcases your expertise. With AI, the potential for success is limitless. Let's create the future, one innovative idea at a time.